Hello everyone. Today we will discuss what is schedule, what are the different types of schedule in transaction and concurrency kind of. Let's see what are the different points comes under the schedule. It is a series of operations from one transaction to another transaction. It says if you want to create a schedule, then there must be at least two transactions, and the operation which comes under this transaction, we will create their series. That means suppose we have two transactions here, T1 and T2, and these are the instructions under T1 and T2. Okay guys, so we can say it is the operation. So we create a series of operations in transaction from 1 to 2. Okay guys, so suppose if you want to create a series, that means I can run this transaction completely, then this transaction, or I can run this transaction completely, then this transaction, or I can run this instruction first, or then this instruction, then this instruction, then this instruction. So these are the basically series of operations from one transaction to another transaction. Another point is it is used to preserve the order of operation in each of the individual transaction. That means that we cannot change the order of the instruction. Here these are the instructions. This is the first, second, third or fourth. If I want to run this T1 or execute T1 completely, that does not mean that I will run first this or this or this. No, this is the order. If I want to run this one T1, then I have to start from this read A, then I have to execute read B. Okay, so step by step in the order I will execute their instruction. Okay guys, the schedules are of three types, that is the serial schedule, non-serial schedule and serializable schedule. So we will discuss only today serial schedule. So one transaction is executed completely before starting another transaction. Serial schedule says that one transaction is executed completely before I started another transaction. Suppose schedule decided to run T2 first. Okay, schedule decided to run T2 first. That means in a serial schedule, serial schedule manner, then I will run or I will execute all these instructions first. Okay guys, then I will start this instruction. Okay, so it is that if I want to run two transactions, so in a serial schedule manner, the one transaction should be completed before I started the another transaction. I cannot run another second transaction in between the first transaction. Okay, so I have to execute this complete transaction. Now suppose for the set of n transaction, the another point says that for the set of n transaction, n factorial different valid serial schedules are possible. That means if suppose we have two transactions here. Okay guys, so if we have two transactions, that means n is equal to 2. Now what are the possible valid serial schedules are? It is a 2 factorial, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 1, 2. I can arrange them in two manner, in a serial manner. That is, I can run T1 first, then T2, or either I can run T2 then T1. These are the possible way. If there is a three transaction, suppose there are three transaction, T1, T2, T3. So what are the possible serial schedules are? 3 factorial, which is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 6. So I can arrange 6 valid serial schedules here. How? See, first I can arrange T1, then T2, then T3. Okay guys, then T1, T3, T2. Now I can arrange T2 first, then T1, then T3, then T2, T3, T1. This can be possible one. In another way, T3, T1, T2, T3, T2, T1. This is the possible way. So I can arrange, see, total is 6. So I can arrange them in a 6 way. Okay guys, so this is the basic procedure. If you want to know what are the different possible valid schedule can be there for the serial schedule, then I have to take the factorial of the number of transactions. Okay guys, so this is all about what is exactly serial schedule. In the next video, we will discuss what is non-serial schedule, what are their points. Then we will discuss in the next videos serializable schedule. Okay guys, and guys, please, if my videos are helping you, to please like and share this video and subscribe the channel, and please do follow the playlist of this subject, which link is under the description of this video. Okay guys, thank you and take care.